Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now, the first chapter of geometry is basic concepts in geometry. First point is point. A point is shown by a tiny dot. We can use a pen or a sharp pencil to make the dot. Capital letters of Roman alphabet are used to make a point. The point has no length, breadth and height. ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ जो दिखा गया है पेंसिल की मदद से, पेन की मदद से जो एक हम डॉट देते हैं वो कहलाता है पॉइंट. पॉइंट्स को हम कैपिटल अल्फ़ाबेट से लिखते हैं. द पॉइंट्स P, Q and R are shown in the figure. Now next one is line. Line is a figure made by infinite points. It is unending in both straight directions. It is represented by small letters A, B, C. Look here. The line shown in the adjacent figure is read as line M or line PQ. इसे हम स्मॉल लेटर में लाइन M भी कह सकते हैं और इस लाइन पे किसी दो पॉइंट्स का यूज़ करते हुए इसे हम लाइन पी क्यू भी कह सकते हैं. ये जो लाइन होती हैं इस पर इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स होते हैं और स्ट्रेट लाइन पे बोथ डायरेक्शंस में ये अनएंडिंग होते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पे ये एरो का यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइन सेगमेंट्स. अ सेगमेंट इज़ अ पीस ऑफ लाइन. सेगमेंट होता है वो लाइन का एक पीस होता है. अ लाइन सेगमेंट हैज़ 2 पॉइंट्स शोइंग इट्स लिमिट्स. इसकी लिमिट्स ख़त्म हो जाती है, 2 पॉइंट्स पे हम इसको शो करते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड एंड पॉइंट्स. इस पॉइंट्स को एंड पॉइंट्स कहा जाता है. वी राइट लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी एस सेगमेंट ए बी. A and B are its end points. लाइन में दोनों तरफ एरो होता है, लाइन सेगमेंट्स में एरो नहीं होता है बल्कि ये एंड होता है पॉइंट्स पे, तो इसे हम लाइन सेगमेंट कहते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज रेज. अ रे इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ ए लाइन. रे भी ये लाइन का एक पार्ट होता है विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट, जो एक पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होता है. एंड एंडलेस इन अदर साइड, और दूसरी तरफ में वो एंडलेस होता है. द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ए रे इज कॉल्ड इट्स ओरिजिन. जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है रे का वो कहलाता है ओरिजिन. ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पे ये डायग्राम दी गई है. द रे शोन इन द एडजेसेंट फिगर. हियर पी इज़ द ओरिजिन. इस डायग्राम में पी से रे स्टार्ट हो रही है, तो ये जो पॉइंट पी है ये कहलाता है ओरिजिन. An arrowhead is drawn to show that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. Q के जानिब ये जो डायरेक्शन है यहाँ पे ये रे है इनफाइनाइट हो रही है. द फिगर कैन बी रीड एज रे पी क्यू. इस फिगर को कहा जाता है रे पी क्यू. ओके, ध्यान दीजिए, जहाँ से रे स्टार्ट होती है वहाँ से शुरुआत होती है, ये ओरिजिन होता है, तो हम इसे कहेंगे रे पी क्यू. इसे हम रे क्यू पी नहीं पढ़ सकते. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स एंड डिस्टेंस. लुक हियर, ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पे नंबर लाइन दिया गया है. कुछ पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे दिखाए गए हैं ए बी सी ओ डी ई, और नीचे में 0, ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, ऑल नेगेटिव नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ इन द अबव फिगर द पॉइंट डी ऑन द नंबर लाइन डिनोट्स द नंबर 1. जो फिगर दिया गया है, जो पॉइंट डी है, लुक हियर, पॉइंट डी इस नंबर लाइन पे ये डिनोट्स करता है नंबर 1. देयरफॉर व्हाट इज़ द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट डी. जो ये 1 है ये कहलाता है कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट डी. एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट बी इज, नाउ लुक हियर, हियर इट इज़ द पॉइंट बी. द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट बी इज -3. Similarly, the coordinates of point A and E are, now look here, the coordinates of point A -5 and the coordinates of point E is 3. The distance between two points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. अगर हमें किसी भी दो पॉइंट्स का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है तो लार्जर कोऑर्डिनेट में से स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट्स E and D is denoted as distance round bracket E, D. Distance between points E and D. For example, distance ED, E और D क्या हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ लुक हियर, द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट E is 3 and the coordinate of point D is 1. Now larger coordinates minus smaller coordinates, therefore we can write here 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. Therefore distance between points E and D is equal to length of ED which is equal to 2. इसे हम length of ED भी कह सकते हैं. Okay, now the next one, distance between points C and D is equal to, now look here, the coordinate of point C minus 2 and the coordinate of point D is 1. Now here 1 is larger and minus 2 is smaller coordinate. Therefore subtract smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Therefore 1 minus of minus 2. Now here we can write here 1 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Therefore 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore distance between points C and D is 3. It can be written as distance between points C and D is equal to length of CD which is equal to 3. Now next example, distance between points A and B. Now look here, the coordinate of point A minus 5 and the coordinate of point B is minus 3. Now here minus 3 is larger than minus 5. Okay, therefore minus 3 minus of minus 5. Now here minus 3 minus of minus 5 which is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 5. Now look here, one number is positive and one number is negative. Therefore first subtract the smaller number from the larger, means 5 minus 3 which is equal to 2, and take the sign of larger 1. Here positive, therefore answer is plus 2. The distance between any two points is a non-negative real numbers. किसी भी दो points का distance हमेशा non-negative real numbers होता है. Now next one is betweenness. If PQR are three distinct collinear points, अगर PQR तीन अलग अलग collinear points हैं and point Q is between P and R, point Q P और R के दरमियान है. Now look here, if distance of PQ plus distance of QR which is equal to distance of PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Now in this figure, distance between PQ plus distance between QR is equal to distance between PR. PQ का डिस्टेंस में हम ऐड करेंगे QR का डिस्टेंस, तो हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पर PR का डिस्टेंस. ओके, नाउ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन PQ plus distance between QR is equal to distance between PR. Now in this diagram, the betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Now let us see how to solve practice set 1.1. First one, find the distances with the help of the number line given below. यहाँ number line दिए गए हैं, coordinates हैं और उसके points दिए गए हैं. हमें यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट्स B and E. नाउ राइट ऑन द सॉल्यूशन हियर. distance between points B and E. Now look here. The coordinate of point B is 2 and the coordinate of point E is 5. Write down here. Coordinate of point B is 2 and coordinate of point E is 5. Now look here, which one is greater? 5 is greater. Okay. Therefore, distance between B comma E is equal to, now subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater coordinate. We get here 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Since 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, distance between BE is equal to 3. First, now the second one. Distance between, find out the distance between points J, A. The coordinate of point J is minus 2 and the coordinate of point A is 1. Write down here. Coordinate of point J is minus 2 and coordinate of point A is 1. Now look here, minus 2 and 1. 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, distance between J comma A is equal to 1 minus of minus 2. Since 1 is greater than minus 2. Okay. Now look here. Which is equal to 1 plus 2 means 3. Therefore, distance between J comma A is equal to 3. Now next, third. Distance between P comma C. Write down here. The coordinate of point P minus 4 and the coordinate of point C is 3. Write down here. Coordinate of point P is minus 4. Coordinate of point C is 3. Now look here, minus 4 and 3. 3 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance between P comma C is equal to 3 minus of minus 4. Since 3 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance between P comma C is equal to 3. Now minus into minus plus 4, which is equal to 7. Therefore, distance between points P and C is equal to 7. Now fourth. Next question. Find out the distance between J comma H. Now look here, figure. The coordinate of point J is minus 2 and the coordinate of H is minus 1. Write down here. coordinate of point j is -2 and coordinate of point h is -1. Now look here, -2 and -1, in which -1 is greater than -2. Therefore, write down here, distance between points j h is equal to -1 minus of -2, since -1 is greater than -2. Okay, now solve it. -1 plus 2. Now look here, 2 minus 1, 1, and take the sign of the greater number, means 1. Therefore, distance between points j and h, which is equal to 1. Now the next question is to find the distance between K and O. Now look here, the coordinate of point K is -3 and the coordinate of point O is 0. Therefore, write down here, coordinate of point K is -3 and coordinate of point O is 0. Now look here, therefore distance between points K, O is equal to, now -3 and 0. Which one is greater? 0 is greater than -3. Therefore, 0 minus of -3. Since 0 is greater than -3, now solve it. Minus of -3 is equal to 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. Therefore, distance between K, O is equal to 3. It is the answer of the next one. Now, next question is to find the distance between O, E. Write down here. Now here, the coordinate of point O is 0 and the coordinate of point E is 5. Therefore, write down here, coordinates of points O and E are 0 and 5 respectively. Now here 5 is greater than 0. Therefore, distance between O, E is equal to 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5. Therefore, distance between points O, E is equal to 5. Now, next question is 7. To find out the distance between points P and J. Now look here, the coordinate of point P is -4 and the coordinate of point J is -2. Now here, -2 is greater than -4. Therefore, write down here, coordinate of points P and J are -4 and -2 respectively. Now here -2 is greater than -4. Therefore, distance between P, J is equal to -2 minus of -4, which is equal to -2. Now minus into minus plus 4. Now 4 minus 2, 2, and take the sign of the greater number is positive plus 2. Therefore, distance between P comma J is equal to 2. Now the next, find out the distance between points Q and B. Now here, the coordinate of point Q, look here, the coordinate of point Q is -5 and the coordinate of point B is 2. Write down here. The coordinate of point Q is -5 and the coordinate of point B is 2. Now here 2 is greater than -5. 2 is greater than -5. Okay. Therefore, distance between Q comma B is equal to 2 minus of -5. Solve it. 2 minus minus plus 5. Now we get here 7. Therefore, distance between Q comma B is equal to 7. Now, second question is, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance between A, B. Now, write down the solution here. First, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Coordinates of points A and B are 1 and 7 respectively. Now look here, 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between points A, B is equal to 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. Therefore, distance between A comma B is equal to 6. Now second question, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -2. Now here, the coordinate of point A is 6 and the coordinate of point B is -2. Write down here. Coordinates of points A and B are 6 and -2 respectively. Now look here, 6 is greater than -2. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to, now subtract smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Therefore, we get here 6 minus of -2. Now solve it. 6 minus minus plus 2, which is equal to 8. Therefore, distance between A comma B is equal to 8. Now third, x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 7. Now look here, the coordinate of point A is -3 and the coordinate of point B is 7. Therefore, write down coordinates of points A and B are -3 and 7 respectively. Now here 7 is greater than -3. Okay, therefore distance between points A and B is equal to now 7 minus of -3. Look here, 7 minus minus plus 3, which is equal to 10. Therefore distance between A comma B is equal to 10. Now next question is fourth one. X is equal to -4 and y is equal to -5. Look here, the coordinate of point A is -4 and the coordinate of point B is -5. Therefore write down here, coordinates of points A and B are -4 and -5 respectively. Therefore distance between A comma B is equal to, now look here, -4 and -5. Now in this, -4 is greater than -5. Therefore we can write here -4 minus of -5. Therefore distance between points A and B is equal to -4 plus 5. Now solve it. -4 plus 5 is 1. Therefore distance between points A and B is equal to 1. Okay. Now next one, fifth. X is equal to -3 and y is equal to -6. Now look here, the coordinate of point A is -3 and the coordinate of point B is -6. Write down here. Coordinate of point A is -3 and coordinate of point B is -6. Now here -3 is greater than -6. Okay. Therefore distance between A comma B is equal to, now look here, -3 minus of -6. Now solve it. We get -3 plus 6, which is equal to 3. Therefore distance between A comma B is equal to 3. Now next one, sixth question. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to -8. It is given. Now the coordinate of A is 4 and the coordinate of B is -8. Write down here. Coordinate of point A is 4 and coordinate of point B is -8. Now look here, 4 and minus 8. Here 4 is greater than minus 8. Okay. Therefore, distance between A comma B is equal to 4 minus of minus 8. Subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Now we get here 4 minus into minus plus 8, which is equal to 12. Therefore, write down here, distance between points A and B is equal to 12. Allah Hafiz.